Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to design this component. Actually it's really easy to design. If you know how to draw a circle, you can easily design this. Let's begin. First go to create sketch and click some plane. Now we are going to draw circles. The first circle with diameter 20 mm, another circle with diameter 40 mm, and also another circle we need to draw with diameter 70 mm, and on another circle which has diameter 100 mm, and also another circle with diameter 120 mm. Now we have got concentric circles, you could see. Now we are going to make holes in the circle. We need to make 18 holes which has diameter 10 mm. To make the process easier and simpler, I'm going to use circular pattern. First go to line and draw a line from center point to the outer boundary of the circle. Now you can see we get some intersection points, and on the intersection point we need to draw a circle with a diameter 10 mm. You need to draw 3 circles on the intersection point which has 10 mm diameter. And now we are going to trim the unwanted parts. After removing, you can see we get a sketch like this. And now we are going to create and go to circular pattern, and in object you need to select these 3 circles as the object, and center point you can click this circle, and quantity you need to give 6. Just give OK. Now you have obtained the shape as shown in the picture. Now go to solid and extrude and click this plane, and in other view you could see the thickness of the component is 10 mm, so you need to give 10 here and just give OK. Now the required component is obtained. If you like this video, and just click the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe